this video, I'll be analyzing Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the Reliance for tomorrow expiry. So tomorrow is monthly expiry, as we can see. 24th June is the last date for this month expiry, and also Reliance AGM tomorrow. So tomorrow, if any move on Reliance will change the Nifty direction. If Reliance fall more, it will drag Nifty also down. So we need to keep eye on this Reliance for tomorrow. So based on this level, we can expect some volatility on index as well. So let's see first about Nifty. As you can see, Nifty here last four trading session, it has been moving up and down more than 150 to 200 points. Here you can see like on 18 it went down till 15,480, and then it closed around 725, right? So same next day it opened down, so it went till 765. So today it opened gap up, and from then started falling from there. So it closed around 15,678, right? So what we can expect tomorrow? First, let's look at Dow Jones. Right now, it is just 2 points down. Here itself, we can see it is going up and down. Let's see how it is going to close on end of the day. And Nasdaq also just 19 point up, so it opened slightly up and started coming down. Let's see how it is going to close today end of the day. And SGX Nifty just 22 point down. Let's see how it is going to open tomorrow morning. Based on that, we can see. And one more thing to remember, so if any sharp fall, we should accumulate some good stocks. Here itself, we can see today every day some stock making 15 percentage, 20 percentage move. So today Ramco system moved almost 120 points. Today open was near 534, but it touched almost 646, almost 120 points up today. Tomorrow also we can expect. I think this might break upside soon, like this may cross 785 soon. Okay, so and Bank Nifty, so it is same like a Nifty. Every day it is moving up and down very sharply. So buy on tip and sell on rise. This is what happening on these last 4 days. So tomorrow, what we can expect from this level? So here you can see this has been following some kind of channel pattern. So once this level is broken, then we can only expect some upside rally. 35,470 is the first resistance on the top side. Once this level is broken, then we can expect some rally. So maybe tomorrow end of the day, or from Friday it may start move upside. But every fall is a buy on Bank Nifty. So this level looks like a demand zone, because not even 5 minutes it stayed in this particular range. So as soon as it touched, it reversed from this level. So what this time also, if there any fall around this, breaking this level only, we can expect 33,000. On the upper side, we can expect 34,960, 60 to 70 is first resistance. After that, we can expect this range, 35,460 range. Nifty also same. There is a pending target based on the square of 9. 16,129 is the next resistance. Once this level is broken, let's see how it is going to perform. Maybe tomorrow or next week we can expect this level. But if any fall near this level, we can keep adding it for long term. Definitely, this market looks very, very bullish. Only this gap is pending. Like on 19th, it opened gap up, and this level is not filled yet. So there is a gap here. So I'm just wondering about this, only this range. So if any fall towards this range, we can start adding it. Once breaking this level, then we can expect this as a next immediate support. Let's see how it is going to give. But every fall, just try to add some quality stock. So weekly charts looking very, very bullish. We can expect these level as immediate supports. So let's see how it is going to expire tomorrow, whether it is going to make big move on either side up or down, or it may consolidate and close near 15,700 to 800. Let's see how it is going to close. So tomorrow Reliance is going to make a big decision for Nifty movement. So if none of the stocks support, then based on the Reliance movement, tomorrow Nifty move either upside or downside. So Reliance, we need to keep watching tomorrow. So here you can can see multiple time it reversed from this level, so we can consider 2157 as a strong support. So if this level is broken, then down we can expect a sharp fall towards 2100, and then this range 85. So these are next level supports. So I don't think so it will come, but in any worst case if it comes, then so these are the buy zone for long term investors. Try adding these at every fall. So these are very good opportunity to enter for long term. So that's all in this video. So let's see tomorrow how it is going to close. Either it is going to break upside or it is going to break last week low. Let's see. Thank you for watching, and please do share and subscribe.